Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm the hygienist at Karsil Dental in Pearland, Texas. I work for Dr. Pham. And one of the things that I find with my patients is most of my patients aren't actually flossing. And we know that only 2 to 10% of the population in the United States actually flosses on a regular basis. But flossing is so important for our oral health. In fact, it's one of the most important things you can do to improve your oral health. One thing I do find with a lot of my patients when it comes to flossing is that they tell me they don't floss because it's difficult. It's difficult to reach the back teeth, it's difficult to get their hands into their mouth. And what I find when I ask patients to demonstrate to me how they're flossing, I often find that they're doing it the wrong way, which is why they're having problems to begin with. So today I would like to share with you a tip from your dental hygienist on how to properly floss, and it's a neat little trick that'll help you floss that much more effectively. So the first thing you want to do is get a nice long piece of floss. Most of us want to skimp on our floss, but floss is actually very inexpensive. It doesn't really matter which brand that you purchase. Any brand is fine, so you want to use your personal preference. I do like the brand Glide. Glide is a brand, it's made by Oral-B, and it's coated with Teflon. And the Teflon helps the floss to slide in between the teeth very easily. So if you have tight spaces between your teeth, Glide is a good way to go. If you have larger spaces between your teeth, then you want to focus on maybe getting a thicker, more ropey type of a floss. So you get a nice long piece of floss. And the first mistake that I see my patients make is they want to wrap the floss around their index fingers. Well, what happens when you do that is when you go to tighten the floss to get it into your mouth, it kind of cuts the circulation off of your fingers like that. It's a little uncomfortable. And then when you go in, it's very awkward to try to get into those spaces. Your hands kind of are everywhere, and so it makes it very difficult to reach the back teeth. So instead what you want to do is take your floss and you're going to wrap it around your middle fingers. So your middle fingers, and what that does is it gives you your index fingers and your thumbs free to manipulate the floss. And now it's piece of cake to get into the back areas of your teeth. So you do like this, you go all the way back, your fingers are free, your circulation's not cut off, and it makes your flossing that much easier. So that's today's tip from your dental hygienist at Karsil Dental.